What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. As you can see right here, I've stupidly dropped some paint on the carpet. Now this is a brand new house, so usually this should be a nightmare for anybody that's done this. However, I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to clean this mess up. Let's do this. So the way we get rid of this stain before it dries up, obviously a rag, and the most important ingredient, which is this right here. This is acetone. Okay, if you're not sure what acetone is, it's basically nail polish remover. So you can buy this from your local hardware store. Very easy and cheap to get your hands on. If you don't want to go out and buy one of these and you've got some nail polish remover at home, try a bit of nail polish remover. That should do the trick as well. So the first thing I want to do is just put a little bit of nail polish remover straight over the stain. Let that absorb into the carpet and into the paint itself. That'll help dilute it. Next thing you want to do, okay, I'm going to also put a little bit onto the rag just to make sure I don't absorb all that acetone out of the carpet. Next thing I want to do is just simply dab straight on top. So making sure that that's getting worked into the carpet. Once again, you can see that starting to come off onto the actual rag. So once again, back on the rag, and I'll put a touch more onto the carpet. And repeat it once again. So now that I know that that's completely soaked with the acetone, all I'm going to do now is in a circular motion, we want to work this paint stain out. So you don't want to rub up and down because then you'll miss some of the paint that's left on the bristles of the carpet. So what we want to do is go in a circular motion. That way we're going to really work that stain out of the carpet. Now obviously the fresher the paint is, the easier this will come up. So if you do happen to spill anything, make sure you get on top of it really quick. I let this one here dry up a bit by the time I got the camera because I wasn't expecting to drip any, to be honest, and this wasn't my intention to make a video out of it. But I just wanted to show you guys because this can be a real nightmare. By the time somebody drops some paint and sits there, you know, crying in the corner, what have I done, what have I done, what should I do to fix it? Well, now I'm giving you guys a solution. So we'll try and clean that up now with the dry side of the rag, just to bring out any of that acetone out of the carpet. And now I'm just going to repeat the process just a little bit more on this section here, because as you can see, the other one, I don't even know where it was anymore. That's disappeared. So we've just got this little section here left to go. So I'll repeat the process one more time. I'm going to try and not cut this video as well so you guys can see from start to finish just how easy it is. So like I said, guys, actually I can see a little bit more over here, I think it is. Or is that just, oh, that's some dirt. All right, so there you have it, guys. Now this took me a bit longer than it usually would. The reason for that is simply because I let it dry onto the carpet before I actually got on top of it. So make sure that if you guys happen to spill some paint, now you know exactly how to remove it. Keep some acetone at home, it's very, very handy. And if you don't, go steal your sister's or your wife's nail polish remover. Nice and easy, acetone, it'll get rid of the paint out of your carpet. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.